I hope everyone got one word in the chat. Is my voice echoing? Yes, right. Okay, so very beautiful and keep this word written on your notebooks. Khushbu, your word, one word.
सॉरी सिप्रा मैं लंच कर रही हूँ
अच्छा ठीक है चलो ओके यू कैन टेल यू कैन स्पीक एंड टेल
हाँ क्या बोलना था सिप्रा
आई मैंने पूछा था कि व्हाट डू यू वांट टू रिसीव फ्रॉम टुडे सेशन वन वर्ड
abundance
ग्रेट so we have all three of you want abundance from this session. Awesome. So let me give you a quick roadmap of what we are diving into today. So I will be guiding you through my signature 3C framework, which is confidence, clarity, and cash flow. This is the same system which I use to turn passion into prosperity. Okay. And each C, which I'm going to tell you, it includes a very powerful activity with it also, a quick win also, and a mindset shift, which you will be feeling during the activity. And this will unlock something new inside you today, because these are not only the insights, these are transformations. So stay till the end also, because this gets very stronger as we move forward. And yes, there's a big surprise that I will be revealing at the end, and something that will keep your growth consistent month after month. So stay with me till the end. Okay. So the first C which I was talking about is confidence, right? Confidence. Let's come to this, and let me ask you that what do you mean by confidence? Before I tell you about this, let me ask you, all three of you, Rima, Minaz, you can unmute and answer also, or you can type in the chat box also, that what does confidence mean for you? Because let's keep it interactive session, otherwise.
for me confidence is doing everything what we want to do
Great. Absolutely true. Because let me tell you, okay, you will have to leave. Okay, Minaz, it's okay. I'll share what I will, the surprise with you when the session ends. Okay. So let me tell you what is confidence. Confidence is a belief in your abilities, in your skills, and in your judgment. Because we are making decisions every single day. And the ability to make the decisions, no matter right or wrong, but to make them right by tweaking it again and again. Confidence is the inner knowing that you can handle whatever comes your way. This is the confidence which we have. And it's not about being always perfect or never making mistakes, because people think the other way sometimes. That confidence is that we are very confident in whatever we are doing and we can't get wrong. But this is not true. It's not about being perfect, or it's never about making mistakes, because we will make mistakes when we take a decision. So it's about trusting yourself to find the solutions is confidence. Taking action is confidence. Bouncing back when you need is confidence, because sometimes life is like a roller coaster ride, as we all know, and it can't be same always. So there are some situations, some challenges where we need to bounce back as soon as possible, the resilience which we have. So this is the confidence. And when you are confident, you show up unapologetically, you also embrace the challenges, and also when you are confident, you take risks, that other people might shy away. Like, as I'll give you an example of us as coaches. We were confident in taking the decisions. Hi, Sneha. In taking the decisions. That's why we are here. Am I right? Because we took the risk that other people might not be able to take. So this is the confidence. And confidence helps you set boundaries also. It helps you say no when it is necessary. And also it helps you claim your space wherever you are. And you know your worth when you are confident. Right? So there's a mini activity which we are going to do right now. You need to stand up wherever you are, and what you need to do is, we call it as a power pose. I think all of you must have heard about it. Put your hands on your hips. Like, one thing, how many of you have seen the Wonder Woman? देखा है किसी ने मार्वल्स के वंडर वुमन? हैव यू सीन द मूवी और heard about her? Yes, Rima, you have heard. Great. Sneha, Khushbu, Minaz? Nahi? Okay, today you go and Google Wonder Woman. But till then, what you need to do is, you need to stand up, put your hands on your hip, and put your chin a little slight upward and stand like this wherever you are. This is called the power pose. And what you need to say when you stand like this, that I lead myself first and I am worthy of my own trust. Okay. This short 2-minute activity, whenever you are going to do any work, like if you are going to deliver a session, if you are going to take a class, or whatever you are going to do in which you need some kind of confidence, that so this is some kind of anchoring which we do, and we call it Wonder Woman style, because she stands like this only, and this is called a power pose. Okay, we say it power pose, Rima, power pose or Wonder Woman style, both. Acha, what we need to say out loud is, you can write it down in your notebooks, that I lead myself first and I am worthy of my own trust. All I have written, I lead myself first, right? I am worthy of my own trust. Yes, Rima. This is the sentence you need to say while doing this power pose. And you can do this when you are going to start your day as well. Then also you can do this activity. It takes only 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. Now what we are going to do is, you have your notebook and pen with you. You need to write down in your notebook that I am deeply confident because. You have to complete this sentence with your truth. Right? And don't overthink anything. Let your soul speak, whatever comes to your mind. I am deeply confident because. I'll give you some examples. Like, I am deeply confident because I trust myself to take bold actions even when I don't have all the answers. Okay. You can say that I am deeply confident because I know my worth and I show unapologetically in any situation. Like you are showing today for this webinar. So you can write this also. I am deeply confident because I embrace all the challenges as opportunities to grow. Like this, whatever comes to your mind, you can write down. And Khushbu, when you have lunch, you do this activity. Okay. I am deeply confident because I believe in my abilities to create and build the life I want and desire. And once done, let me know. You can write one sentence also, or two, three. And now we are going to do a confidence clarity card are going to make. Let me tell you what is this. Think of one thing that you have been hesitating to ask for. Maybe from your partner, maybe from a client, maybe from a family member, or even from the universe. Okay, and what you have to do is write it down in your notebook and then rephrase it and ask yourself, like, let me give you an example. Instead of saying that I take a break, you can say that I deserve 30 minutes for myself daily and I claim it. Okay. You can write down this sentence. This is your confidence clarity card. Whatever thing you want to ask from anyone, you write it down. Because the studies, the research show that the power pose which I have told you, if you do it for 2 minutes daily, what it does, it increases your testosterone by 20% and the cortisol, which is the stress hormone, it lowers it down. And it makes you feel more in control of yourself. Okay. And as we know that confidence is a choice which we need to make every day, moment by moment. And this, when we do this daily, we build the muscle which grows when we take action. Because as and when you start taking action, you build your confidence also, and then this muscle is also built of taking actions. Right? So I hope you have done all these 3 activities, written it down, and you can practice them daily also to boost your confidence. Because what happens that when we don't go outside, we don't meet people, then this confidence gets somewhere down. कहीं ना कहीं वो चला जाता है. And this we all have experienced as homemakers. So for that, we need to build our confidence. Right. Now it comes the next point, which is clarity. अब clarity क्या है? What is clarity according to all of you? Please let me know. You can unmute also and you can type in the chat box also. क्या बताना है? Clarity क्या है? Clarity क्या होती है? What is clarity? हम लोग कहते हैं ना, we need to have clarity. Clarity है क्या?
For me, Shipra, clarity is the pathway. We know the pathway, which path we have to go to reach our goal.
Great. बहुत बढ़िया खुशबू. Right. Clarity is our inner compass. जैसे कहीं पे भी we go ना, जैसे जंगल में गए या कहीं पे, हाँ, right रीमा, रोड मैप. तो we take a compass or we take a map wherever we go. So like this, clarity is our inner compass, our inner roadmap, that where we want to go in our lives. And when we don't have the clarity, we hustle, we keep on moving from this to this. We move on in circles and circles. और जब हमें clarity आ जाती है, then even we are resting also, it feels very productive. Because we are doing the work which we are meant to do, which we love to do. Right? So clarity is your ability to see the path very clearly. Okay. It's about having a very good sense of the direction in which you are moving and understanding your purpose, your goals, and what truly matters to you. Right? And when you are clear, then what you can make exactly and you can do exactly that what aligns with your vision, because we all are on a mission and we have a vision to serve this world, right? So it's like clarity is like cleaning up a foggy window. वो जो हम साफ करते हैं ना, we can see clearly through the mirror, तो वैसा ही है, clarity is like that only. So that then what happens? You can see the opportunities right in front of you. Before that, we feel that we are having so many challenges. But when clarity comes, we can change those challenges into opportunities. And what it also does, it removes your overwhelm, remove kar deta hai, because then we start taking actions, and it also helps us to focus on what is important for us, what is on our priority list, whether it is in our career, in our personal life, in our business, in our coaching, right? And also clarity helps us to set realistic goals which we can measure also, and which through which we can make progress in our life. And it also help us to take deliberate action, because जब हमें clarity है, हमें पता है कि मुझे इलाहाबाद जाना है, तो we फिर move in that direction कि हाँ, मुझे यहाँ से क्या क्या चीजें करके I will reach my goal. Okay, so now we will do a clarity canvas. Take your notebook and make 3 columns in your notebook. In first column, you write that what I love doing. What are the activities which you love doing? And in second column, write that what I am naturally good at, like what you are naturally good at. Helping, listening, coaching. And then third column, write that what people come to me for. And you write 2 to 3 things under each column. And it could be there could be 2-3 activities which can come in each column. Like एक activity जैसे listening लिखा, तो वो 3 में भी हो सकती है.
फर्स्ट कॉलम में क्या लिखना था?
What I love doing. सेकेंड कॉलम में था what I am naturally good at. और थर्ड कॉलम में था that what people come to me for. अब now write 2 to 3, 4 things in each column. और अगर 2 कॉलम में एक ही चीज आ जा रही है तो उनको सर्कल कर देना, सर्कल एनी ओवरलैप्स अगर हो रहे हैं तो. And these activities, these are your clarity clues. Because using these activities, now we will frame a sentence. Once done, let me know. ओके, हो गया स्नेहा?
हाँ.
बढ़िया, क्या है?
ओके. व्हाट आई लव, इसमें मैंने लिखा है टॉकिंग और ट्रैवलिंग. सेकंड, व्हाट आई एम नेचुरली गुड एट टॉकिंग. सेकंड लिखा है मैंने ऑफलाइन जो भी इवेंट्स रहते हैं वो वाला.
मतलब सोशलाइज करना है.
हाँ.
हाँ.
और थर्ड कॉलम में ये लिखा है मैंने कि व्हाट पीपल कम टू मी फॉर काउंसलिंग, फॉर वही सब कोचिंग.
ठीक है.
और एक लिखा है कि हाँ, उसी की इसमें मैंने 2 लिखे कि कोचिंग हो गया, काउंसलिंग हो गया.
ठीक 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 ठीक. नाउ व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज कि एक सेंटेंस मैं बता रही हूँ, उसमें मैं फिल ब्लैंक्स दे रही हूँ, तो वहां पे यू नीड टू फिल द एक्टिविटी. ठीक है. जैसे आई हेल्प, कौन आपके पास ज्यादा आता है हेल्प के लिए? वुमेन्स आती हैं, मेन आते हैं, बच्चे आते हैं, बूढ़े आते हैं. ठीक, वो एक चीज हो गई. ठीक है. तो आई हेल्प डैश, कौन आता है? हु. आई हेल्प हु.
बस.
ठीक है, वुमेन्स हो गया. विद व्हाट, किस लिए आती है? What?
Clarity.
So that they can ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन और रिजल्ट क्या मिलेगा उन्हें?
So that they can grow in their life faster.
हाँ, तो जैसे एग्जाम्पल मैं देती हूँ, आई हेल्प वर्किंग मॉम्स मैनेज स्ट्रेस सो दे कैन फील अलाइव अगेन। ये एग्जाम्पल मैंने दिया। जैसे स्नेहा ने अभी बोला, आई हेल्प वुमेन विद क्लैरिटी
Clarity.
सो दैट दे कैन ग्रो इन देयर लाइफ, राइट। एक एग्जाम्पल और हो सकता है कि आई हेल्प हाउसवाइफ स्टार्ट कोचिंग and coaching business using their life experiences, right? ये भी एक एग्जांपल हो जाए कि I help housewife with coaching business so that they can start so that नहीं so that they can start their coaching business using their life experiences, yeah, right? So ये एक फ्रेमवर्क है, एक टेम्पलेट है रेडीमेड कि I help who with dash so that they can get the transformation or result. Reema and Khushbu, please tell yours also. You can type in the chat
Yeah,
box also.
yeah, Sipra. For me, I love doing um
I
help.
help. I help क्या?
Yeah,
किनको help करती? Women's,
I
working
love
professionals.
I love to do give help to women's and
हाँ, I
and
help women with
with
किस चीज?
with giving sympathy, not sympathy, it's empathy and love. And I want whenever I
Empathy and
see
love.
someone in the pain, especially women,
Hmm.
my
Hmm.
heart is so कि okay, let's go and help her to come out of her pain. So my innate desire is to or I'm loving to do help women to come out of their pain.
Hmm.
And the second column is I'm good at uh, giving love, empathy. I'm good at this.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
third one is uh, yeah. What was the third one?
Third one था what
What
people
people.
come to me for. What people come
Yeah,
to me for.
people will come to me for help to come out of their pain. They can seek help from me. They get solution from me, help from me, hand holdings. They will get a hand holding and space, love, everything to come out of their pain and
Hmm.
to stand. They will get support also from me to stand by their own.
सही है. Good. You can write this. अब इसको स्टेटमेंट में लिखना है कि I help women with किस चीज में हेल्प करते हैं सो दैट दे कैन अचीव अ बेटर लाइफस्टाइल, दे कैन कम आउट ऑफ देयर ट्रॉमास, दे कैन बी इमोशनली इंडिपेंडेंट, मतलब ऐसा करके कुछ भी यू कैन राइट योर सेंटेंस. ओके.
Okay, Sipra. Yeah.
ओके. And now we will, I love doing art and graphic designing. I am naturally empathetic person. People can come to me for the spiritual art. Great, Rima. This is also very good. बिकॉज होता क्या है ना, व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज कि वी नीड टू हैव फ्यू स्टेटमेंट्स कि व्हाट ऑल वी आर ऑफरिंग. कोई मिला हमें, हम कहीं पे गए, समवन इज आस्किंग व्हाट यू डू, अब हम पूरा लंबे से तो वी कांट एक्सप्लेन ना. सो वी नीड टू हैव फ्यू स्टेटमेंट्स कि हाँ, आई हेल्प दिस ऑडियंस विद दिस एंड दे गेट दिस रिजल्ट इन दिस टाइम फ्रेम. So we should be very specific, very clear, and very spontaneous. As somebody asks us, we need to tell. Okay. Now everyone close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Now again, inhale and exhale. Now today is 14th May. It's 6 months from today. It's 14th November 2025. And you are thriving, you are abundant, you are joyful, you are successful. Now imagine that where are you? Where are you living? In which house you are living? Or you are having an office space where you are during this daytime. What do you see there? People around you, your staff, or your clients. You are taking online sessions, or your family members who are praising you for the success you have achieved. What do you feel? Happy, joyful, abundant, peaceful, successful. What feeling are you feeling at that time? And who is around you? You are thriving. You have started, you have launched your program. You have batches of your coaching program. And you are having clients in your waitlist. Feel this feeling and lock it into every cell of your body. And as and when you feel ready, you can come back and open your eyes. Now write down the 3 words that describe your future self in your notebook, in the chat. Khushbu, Cruzina, Rima. If possible, please switch on your camera's video. Because according to a research from Stanford, having a vivid mental image of your future self, it increases your motivation, your action taking by 30%. Right? So we need to have clarity in remembering that who you are, what you have said yes to, and even when the word distracts you, then also you need to be very clear that no, I have to do this. I have to achieve this. Okay, because clarity is not only about finding your purpose, it's also choosing what excites you enough so that you can start doing work, taking actions for achieving your goal. Right? So Rima, Khushbu and
Yes.
Kirina, have you written the 3 words? Sneha, लिख लिया 3 words?
Mm-hmm.
क्या लिखा?
First, more confident,
Hmm.
cash flow,
Hmm.
decisions,
Well,
or सब visualize. Yeah.
buddy. Great. So now we have completed the two C's of this workshop. First was confidence, and second was clarity. And all three of you have completed. So let's move on to the next and the third C, which is cash flow. Okay. Because what happens now about money, we have so many limiting beliefs, I would say. We have heard so many stories from our childhood till the age we are now. Okay. Money is not dirty, money is not scary or difficult. Money is just an energy, and it follows the bold decisions, the clear value, and your aligned visibility. That how much you are in control of yourself to take the right decisions to move towards the path where you want to go in your life, right? And cash flow is the movement of your money in and out of your life. Okay, it's only about creating and maintaining a steady stream of income in a way that you feel very abundant and also sustainable. And sometimes what happens that people think that cash flow is just meant for having money, but it's not like that. It means that you are being able to generate it consistently and effortlessly by offering the value that you have to offer to others, and the other people are willing to pay for it, the value which you are giving to them. Okay. And this comes when you have the confidence and clarity in your value. So the cash flow follows confidence and clarity. And it's also not about chasing money. It's only about aligning your efforts with your worth, which you have, the self worth, and also letting the money flow naturally to you from there by providing the value which you have, because we all have something or other which we have learned, which we have invested on, and we want to monetize it, right? It could be through business, it could be through investments, or it could be through other work which you can do, because cash flow is your financial freedom and stability, right? And for this we will do an activity. Put your palms like this. Everyone please see. Hold your palms like this. Put on your lap, matlab, on your thighs. Palms like this. Thighs. Okay? Close your eyes. Face like this, a little up. And say, I am ready to receive money in easy and joyful ways. I am ready to receive money in easy and joyful ways. I am ready to receive money in easy and joyful ways. Money comes to me effortlessly. Money comes to me in miraculous ways. And I'm manifesting money by aligning my intention. I love money, money loves me. I love money, money loves me. I love money and money loves me. And thank you for all the money that I have been given throughout my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. How are you feeling?
बहुत अच्छा लगा.
बढ़िया. बहुत अच्छा लगना चाहिए.
Yes.
So now what we will do is, as we all have clarity, but still I want to ask you this question, that what is that one thing that you can teach or guide or offer based on your skill set, based on your story, based on your experience, that can solve someone else's problem and they would pay for it to you? You can write it down in your notebook as well and in the chat box also, or unmute and tell me. लिख लिया? Done?
नो शिप्रा, मुझे नहीं
क्यों?
एग्जैक्टली एक वर्ड में लिखना है कि
सेंटेंस भी लिख सकते हो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You can write down in sentence also.
एक बार और बताओ.
What is that one thing? कौन सी एक ऐसी चीज है which you can teach people, you can guide them, you can offer them based on your skill set, your learnings, your experience, your story, right?
Right.
जो दूसरे की
Mhm.
प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकता है, किसी दूसरे की, someone else's problem, and they would pay for it to you.
मैं मेंटली सपोर्ट कर सकती हूँ, एनएलपी पढ़ा सकती हूँ,
Hmm.
और
राइट डाउन जो भी
हीलिंग
माइंड में
हीलिंग
आ रहा
करवा
है.
सकती हूँ.
हाँ.
हीलिंग.
और
यस. और
स्पेसिफिक, जैसे एनएलपी बोला ना, स्पेसिफिक. हीलिंग बहुत बड़ा है. हीलिंग में
ओके,
क्या
हो
हीलिंग?
पोनो हीलिंग
हाँ,
कराती हूँ.
राइट डाउन दैट.
ओके.
क्योंकि जितना स्पेसिफिक हम होंगे ना अपने ऑफर को लेके, अपने प्रोडक्ट को लेके, तो हम दूसरे को ज्यादा अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज हम खुद ही कंफ्यूज होंगे उसमें. हीलिंग, क्या हीलिंग? मैं आपको हीलिंग करा सकती हूँ कैसे? आई कैन
आपको
हेल्प यू रिलीज योर इमोशंस, ये करा सकती हूँ. आई कैन हेल्प यू कम आउट ऑफ योर ट्रॉमा. इनर चाइल्ड हीलिंग करा सकती हूँ. आपके चाइल्डहुड के जो भी ट्रॉमास हैं उनको आपको ओवरकम करा सकती हूँ, टू टेक यू कम आउट ऑफ दैट, राइट? तो वी नीड टू बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक. जैसे रीमा का है, शी इज अ ग्राफिक डिजाइनर, तो उसका वेरी स्पेसिफिक नीश है कि शी हेल्प्स पीपल विद डिजाइनिंग देयर लोगो, देयर वेबसाइट, पोस्टर, ब्रोशर, सब कुछ, राइट? तो ऐसे वी नीड टू बी वेरी, एंड पीपल कैन वुड पे हर फॉर दिस, क्योंकि वी नीड someone to design our logo, right? Rosina, Khushbu, have you written? What is that one thing? एक ही चीज लिखनी है, बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं लिखनी है. I help women understand financial planning and help them own their finances and feel empowered. They can enjoy freedom, peace, and happiness. Financial planning. हाँ, right, Rosina. People will come to you for this, for financial planning, because not everyone is good with money. They don't know where to invest, how to invest, how much to invest, right?
True, true.
Yes. And cash flow also happens when service meets structure. Like we have a structure of financial planning or graphic designing or healing. And then when we serve people this, then the cash flow happens. And as we all know that wealth flows where wisdom is activated. So when we offer our skills, our wisdom, then wealth comes to us very easily. Okay. And now what we will do is we will write a short love note to money, and we will address money as a person. Like, I'll give you an example. You can add to it also. Okay. Like, dear money, I forgive you for the stress and fear that I attached to you. And now I welcome you with peace and purpose. I'm ready to receive you. I'm ready to owe you. And I'm ready to serve people around me. So, like this, you can add whatever comes from you. A short letter to money. कुछ भी feelings थी money से attached कि I thought that you were not enough. But now I know that when I use my skills and my values and I help people around me, you will come to me easily and effortlessly. So like this, you can write down. Because you know what? Data and research कहते हैं कि 50% of women in India have monetizable skills, but they never charge for that. Okay. So we have to change that. Time is to change that. कोई भी स्किल, हम लोग के पास बहुत सारे स्किल्स होते हैं एज अ वुमेन, वी डोंट एक्नॉलेज देम एंड वी डोंट एड्रेस देम, बट इफ women start doing that, then they can monetize it easily. So once done the letter, short भी हो सकता है, long भी हो सकता है, how much you want to write, let me know so that I can move forward.
हाँ
Because as we all know, cash flow only happens when clarity plus confidence meets service.
Done,
हो गया?
Shikha.
Done. Rosina, Khushbu, Rima, written the letter to money. Abhi, you can write a short letter. Done. Okay, good, Rima. Khushbu, Rosina. फिर बाद में ये एक एक्टिविटी है which you can do daily. We all say ना कि we are not getting clients, नहीं आ रहे, lead generation नहीं हो रहा है, we are not able to attract that money in our life ना. This one activity, if you do daily on a regular basis, it will shift your money energy, shift करेगा, and you will start attracting it from unknown ways, unexpected ways से भी money आने लगता है, right? So if you can do this activity daily, please include this in your timetable or in your daily routine. Okay, Christina, done. So today you didn't just learn about confidence, clarity, or cash flow. You shifted, and I hope that you moved your energy and also you opened the doors to abundance. And before we wrap up this session, you have taken a step today, a bold, beautiful one. And also you have activated your confidence. You have unlocked your clarity. I hope all of you have got the clarity. You all had the clarity, but still you got more clarity on this. Right? and also shifted your energy around money. Okay. But let me ask you one question. Okay. That how many times have you felt that this kind of spark, like when you attend a session, then during the session you feel very energetic, you feel very powerful कि हाँ I will do this, ये activity तो मैं daily करूँगी, I'll attract the money. ठीक है. And then life happens. You get busy with your life, you lose the momentum, and you forget your power, you forget what was the activity we needed to do. होता है ऐसा? Okay. So that will end today because I am not letting you do it all alone. I have created something very powerful, something consistent, something that keeps you in this energy alive month after month. Okay, so are you ready for the surprise? Type yes in the chat box if you are ready.
Yes.
Yes, Cruzina, Khushbu, and Rima, are you all ready? Yes, yes, yes. Khushbu, where are you? मुझे लगा she has gone somewhere. So now introducing to everyone Queen Verse. What is this? Let me tell you. This is a sacred space where we meet every month to grow, to learn, to rise, to be consistent, to be achieving our goals month after month. And very important is implementation and execution. So what we will do is that we will go deep into the tools, tips, strategies, mindset upgrades that will help you build the consistency muscle, as we say. Because for growth, we need this, and the growth without execution is just information only. If you don't execute what you have learned till now, or what you have learned and invested so much amount of money in this, so if you don't implement it, it's of no use. Okay. So for here today only, you get the access to this Queen verse for this entire month for just only rupees 999. Okay. And it's not per day 99, it's not per session. It's just 999 per month. And it's less than 33 rupees a day also to stay in your power. Right? Sounds insane. Okay. So it is, but what I want to tell you is that you can DM me now if you want to get this offer. And let's be in momentum because being in momentum is very important for us as coaches also. If we lose our momentum, then if we have moved 5 steps forward, then we come back 7 steps backward. Right? So that's why momentum is very important. Okay. And I am not the person who I used to be. I am rising, I am implementing, and I am action taking. And my speed has also increased because universe loves speed and money loves speed. Please write these 2 sentences in bold letters in your notebook and paste it in front of you. That universe loves speed and money loves speed. So if you don't take actions immediately, like we talked about taking decisions, so we need to take the decisions. मतलब तुरंत एक्शन लेना, अगर ये काम मुझे करना है तो आई नीड टू टेक एक्शन. डिले नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज इफ वी डिले तो हमारी सक्सेस भी डिले हो जाती है. राइट. So any question till now? Because as we meet on Zoom monthly, right? So this monthly meetup will be your consistency gym. As हम लोग physical gym जाते हैं ना, gym all of you have heard. तो ये consistency gym होगा आपका once a month. And your implementation century, you can say, where there are no excuses, you will only need your energy to boost up your actions. And your direct access to me every month to guide. Okay, and I'll share the details in the group also. So if you are willing to do this, then connect with me. Because let's be real, I'll take only 2 minutes of your time. That we have done courses before also, but didn't finish them. बहुत सारे courses होते हैं हमारे, जो हम course लेते हैं ना उसके हमें recorded sessions भी मिलते हैं. But how many of you have seen those recorded sessions? नहीं देखते हैं हम. We ask for the recordings, but कभी ऐसा होता है कि हाँ we see that. मैं अपना बताऊं, I don't see, इसीलिए मैं कोशिश करती हूँ that I attend the sessions live. Like, and you know what to do, but you don't do it consistently. This is a lack. You have the fire inside you. जब भी हमें we attend a session कि हाँ नहीं अब तो हमें करना ही करना है, but you get distracted, you get discouraged, and you get delayed. You start strong something somewhere, but होता क्या है लाइफ में कभी कुछ चीजें आ जाती हैं that pulls you off track. You read books also, you watch videos also, you save post कि हाँ ऐसी ही reel I will also make, but we don't implement. So you don't need more information, but you need only consistent action and implementation and execution on monthly basis. Okay, Cruzina, thank you. Okay, so everyone, thank you so much for coming, and please share in the group how did you feel about this session. Okay, any questions on
No, Shikra.
confidence,
Thank you so
clarity,
much
and
for
cash
lovely
flow?
session.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, Reema, let's take a picture. Please come on the camera. Khushbu and Reema, let's take a picture. Bulb on moments. Yes, Reema. Thank you so much. Please come on the video so that we can take a picture. Yes. Good. Heart emoji. Sneha again say heart. Good. So thank you so much, and we will meet next Wednesday for another workshop. Okay. So till then, keep taking actions, implementing things, and be happy. Okay. Lots of love to all of you.
Thank you so much, Shikra. Lots of
Welcome.
love.
Bye bye. See you in the evening.
Bye-bye. Yes.
Okay. Bye, Rima. Bye, Khushbu. Bye, Sneha. Bye.